can't believe Glennie had this. Test and tune there. Who that painter? What I say? Buy some whole heap of things and we never yet put them together and hear how them sound. So today is the day.
Who are you speaking with?
Talking to my people for my life.
Oh.
Yeah, today we're going to test and tune.
Oh, you're ugly.
Yeah, so it's alright. Every day we can.
Say my wife, say me ugly.
My wife say me ugly. Say me bushy. I want to trim on her shape, but that's how you go. Get the stand them for them to the RJ. You know what this be? Yeah. This was a nice little find. Big up DJ World. Figure it out. It was an Ethernet cable. Got to my speaker them. But technology from the northern to the southern. The camera look so. Camera look easy. Camera look like it want clean off. That look better, don't? Yeah, man, that look better. If I see someone I use Ethernet cable, that's how it is. Big up to True Colors. Them first me say do it. But I do it neater. I improve upon what I learn. Lord fire. Technology. When them say on the internet, technological. Mad something. Ethernet cable I use for sound. You have to put them so much. Anyway, do that. Put the stand them close and thing, man. Off the line. Come on. Have to come over there. Hey, some work and easy work, you know. Respect for the likes. Yeah man, just keep it active. Zine, cause we do out here, we are test and tune. Them 215 there. Buy them. How that I say, yo, X5, big up. Yeah. So I buy them 215 there, BlastKing. Sell them for way too much money. I spend way too much money for them. For what them be. Zine. But anyway, we buy them and we swap out swap out the driver them, we swap out the 15 them out of them. Drop into 18 sound in it. It don't make much difference, to be honest. The only difference it make, the factory speaker will forward in it. When you go so boom now and swap out the 18 sound out of it. When we swap in the 18 sound, usually when it limit you hear a slight distortion. You know, you hear the distortion with the 18 sound them. but the amp itself can't drive no more. So for the first today, we have a string up our Zane X5. Big up yourself, respect. Yeah man, we just have to say who me I talk to, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna check out and see how everything sound together. I first we're gonna do it. I first we're gonna play everything together. Put a small processor together, a little system together, you know. You know if you can't see. Nothing too fancy. Like when everything just plug in. Need to jump from one of the sub them. Jump from the sub to that.
To this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then jump from the monitor to that. Two different signals are sent. Put it right on the flattest. Hey mother, don't. Hey mother, man. Hey mother, wrong for saying nonsense. What does I tell you? You're a sensible boy. So I'm plug in this now, everything don't just get power. Okay, look close. Yeah. Who saying nonsense? Get the boy have sense. Alright, we ready for power up? RJ,
Yes, daddy.
are we ready to power up? Signal now go to the other speaker then, Virgin. Power up the here we go on. I haven't done watch my movie last night.
Sub first, right?
Can't go reverse all that. Monitors then come down to you, so but it don't matter still because them independent. What is buzzing? The monitors?
This one.
That one buzzing? Change the cable.
This one.
Unplug the cable.
It's this. No. No, man.
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Switch the cable from the other side and see if it still get the buzz. That's not good. Why they can't cut them cable wrong, you know? Right. Alright, first problem, beer buzzing, beer humming. Don't like that. Don't like that. Yeah, we call it test and tune for a reason. Because at the first we're gonna plug up everything. I try everything you know. I try on Ethernet, sound over Ethernet connector with my buy. But you know, turn down, turn right down, turn on the volume right down. What did you plug in a while ago? The monitor, the blue lead? Alright. So plug it in again. You turn it down. Come up with the volume now. Alright, so that signal is not come off. It not come from nothing. And this is the problem. Plug it, turn it up. Still a buzz. Alright, so nothing connected to it. That means that the cable has the problem. So unplug that cable and try and come for a different cable. It's a troubleshooting. So your XLR cable can get problem when I'm ready. Make you think say your equipment not good. Nothing I sent to it. Everything unplugged. And still long there buzz like a ratty. Go up with the volume now.
This one don't want to.
I drop it and damage it.
Not this side, you drop it.
You plug it in. Careful. Why not damage? Prentice.
Okay.
No buzz in there, so.
Nope.
That's which one? The blue channel?
Yes.
That's the blue channel. Alright, so the cable I need for markers damage. Need to fix that cable. Plug up the others now and see, because the one cable can cause a problem in our system. Where you plug in this? Yellow?
Just a while ago, but it don't turn up.
Alright, turn it up now.
Hey.
Everything quiet.
Yes, so I don't turn up this one, the black one yet. Okay, yeah, everything.
Black one plug in and turn up now?
Yep.
So we're ready to send some signal.
Yep.
Unmute it. Who there have to witness the moment of truth? Alright, laptop ready. Oh, we need to turn up the volume on the line mixer. RJ, false start. Now hear nothing. That connect. It's a play. Did I mute the driver or unmute it? Man, you thought, oh, nothing for play. Nothing can't play.
No.
Not the connect to that. Yo, we don't connect the mixer to the processor them yet. I want sound for play. Yo, Jano. Yeah, up from that to that. You say I want to see me turn up volume to people. I turn up volume and I wonder what blouse and skirt are going. Alright. Ready again? Ready again? You plug up? Alright. Ready again.
A night like this when I laid up.
I'm not hearing a bass line. Bring up a bass line, weak people. For them speaker there, them bass line are supposed to shake your house a little bit.
And I thought it down to my pillows. Saying to myself I must ride.
Put both of them at 9 o'clock. The frequency and the so one is a frequency sweep and one is a volume. One is a gain. So one is frequency, set that at about 12 o'clock. And then the volume at about 9 o'clock.